No-stud TV wall mounts are an absolute game changer, offering hassle-free installation and a sleek, clutter-free look for your entertainment center. But which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 no-stud TV wall mounts available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best no-stud TV wall mounts. The 5th product on this list is the Mount Plus MP NS400. This no-stud tilt TV wall mount is a game changer for those seeking a hassle-free TV mounting solution. This innovative wall mount eliminates the need for wall studs, making installation a breeze. It accommodates TVs ranging from 22 to 55 inches and securely supports TVs weighing up to 70 pounds on drywall. Constructed from solid steel, this mount prioritizes strength and durability, ensuring the safety of your valuable equipment. Its low-profile design keeps your TV just 1 inch away from the wall, providing a sleek and uncluttered appearance. Additionally, it offers a tilt feature, allowing you to adjust the TV's angle up to 3 degrees for optimal viewing. What truly distinguishes this wall mount is its straightforward and speedy installation process. You won't require a drill or wall studs. The included bubble level simplifies alignment. The automatic safety lock keeps your TV firmly in place, whether you're mounting your TV in the living room, bedroom, or any other space. The Mount Plus MP NS400 provides a quick and dependable solution. Moreover, you can purchase with confidence, benefiting from excellent customer service from a U.S. seller and a money-back guarantee. Bid farewell to the frustrations of stud finding and drilling and say hello to a stress-free TV mounting experience. Its pros are: it eliminates the need for wall studs, making installation quick and hassle-free. It fits a range of TV sizes from 22 to 55 inches and supports all VESA mounting patterns. And it is made of solid steel, ensuring the safety and security of your TV. However, it requires drywall thickness to be greater than 0.4 inches for secure installation. The Mount Plus MP NS400 is an ideal choice for anyone seeking an easy-to-install, space-saving solution to mount their TV securely on drywall without the need for wall studs. Up next in 4th place is the AENTGIU studless TV mount. This unit has a no-stud design which eliminates the tedious task of locating wall studs, making it an excellent choice for renters or DIY enthusiasts. Designed for 26 to 55-inch TVs, it boasts a sturdy build, supporting up to 80 pounds on drywall and 110 pounds on wood or concrete blocks, ensuring your valuable equipment stays securely in place. Its low-profile design, extending only 1 inch from the wall, offers a clean appearance and can tilt up to +5 degrees, allowing you to customize your viewing angle. Installation is a breeze, taking just 10 minutes, even for those without experience. The package includes everything you need, from small picture hanging nails to a built-in bubble leveler, ensuring a precise and straightforward setup. The mount's 5 degrees of continuous tilt enhance your viewing experience, making it ideal for various room setups. With a 100% satisfaction guarantee and top-notch customer service, this TV wall mount is the ultimate choice for those seeking simplicity, reliability, and a sleek appearance in their home entertainment setup. Its pros are: it has no stud installation, eliminating the need for finding wall studs and making it suitable for various wall types. It accommodates a wide range of TV sizes from 26 to 55 inches, with VESA mounting patterns catering to most TV models, and it is built with solid steel, and it's robust and reliable, supporting up to 80 pounds in drywall and 110 pounds in wood or concrete blocks. However, there are a lot of nails needed to hold the wall bracket up, so if you live in an apartment, you don't want to be installing it at night. The AENTGIU studless TV mount is an ideal choice for those seeking a hassle-free, sturdy, and versatile TV mounting solution. Still haven't found a no-stud TV wall mount that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Hangman Products S2040A. This unit is ideal for anyone seeking a hassle-free flat-screen TV mounting solution. Its ingenious design accommodates TVs ranging from 26 to 55 inches without the need for wall studs or anchors. Installation is a breeze and takes just 10 minutes, requiring only a hammer and a screwdriver. The built-in level ensures your TV hangs perfectly straight. What sets this hanger apart is its minimal wall damage. It securely holds your TV using tiny picture hanging nails, leaving behind only small pinholes that can be easily covered up when removed. This feature makes it ideal for apartments and rental spaces. This hanger is both sturdy and practical, boasting an 80-pound weight capacity and providing a 1-inch wall clearance. Additionally, it's VESA compatible with 100, 200, 300, and 400 mm spacing. The easy tilt function grants access to cables, and the included security cable adds an extra layer of safety. If you're in search of a quick, tool-friendly, and damage-free TV mounting solution, the Hangman S2040A is an excellent choice. It simplifies the process, leaving you with more time to enjoy your favorite shows. Its pros are: it does not need wall studs or anchors, simplifying installation. It leaves behind only tiny pinholes when removed, making it ideal for apartments and rentals, and it holds up to 80 pounds, providing reliable support for your TV. However, it is best suited for drywall and may not work as effectively on other wall types. The Hangman Products S2040A is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a hassle-free, damage-minimizing TV mounting solution, perfect for renters or those with drywall surfaces. The second product on this list is the Barkan ND400. Here we have another hassle-free and secure TV mounting solution without the need for stud drilling. This innovative no-stud mount provides a unique option for mounting TVs on various wall types, including drywall and plasterboard. Its tall wall plate ensures even weight distribution, guaranteeing stability and safety. The assembly process is straightforward with clear steps to attach the adapters to your TV, install the bracket on the wall, and effortlessly snap your TV onto the frame. A standout feature is the patented auto-locking mechanism, providing enhanced security by preventing accidental screen disengagement from the wall. This mechanism surpasses traditional screw-locking systems, offering additional peace of mind. With a weight capacity of up to 95 pounds and compatibility with a wide range of TV sizes and VESA patterns, this mount is versatile and suitable for most flat and curved screens. Barkan Mounts, a trusted brand since 1988, has consistently aimed to enhance the viewing experience. Their commitment to safety is evident through the inclusion of a fall-proof system, prioritizing child safety by preventing screen disengagement. All in all, the Barkan TV Wall Mount ND400B delivers a safe, straightforward, and efficient TV mounting solution for various wall surfaces. It's an excellent choice for those in search of a reliable and versatile TV mount. With a 5-year warranty and exceptional customer support, it's a top pick for elevating your viewing experience. Its pros are: it allows for secure TV installation without the need to locate and drill into wall studs. It has a 3-step assembly process. Attaching your TV to this mount is a quick and hassle-free task. And it has an auto-locking mechanism that ensures your TV stays securely in place, reducing the risk of accidental disengagement. However, it offers a fixed position and does not provide the flexibility of tilt or swivel adjustments. The Barkan ND400 is the ideal choice for anyone seeking a safe, hassle-free, and secure TV mounting solution, especially if you have drywall or similar walls. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products in the market. Finally, the top no-stud TV wall mount is the ECHOGEAR EGL-D1. If you're tired of the hassle of finding wall studs and drilling, the ECHOGEAR no-drill TV mount is the ultimate solution. This mount can securely hold TVs up to 100 pounds without the need for studs, thanks to 32 robust nails ensuring exceptional stability. What sets this mount apart is its ultra-slim, low-profile design, keeping your TV a mere 1.18 inches from the wall. This not only looks sleek, but also minimizes glare, significantly improving your viewing experience. Furthermore, it provides tilt flexibility, and for those seeking a flush finish, magnetic standoffs are included. This not only creates extra space for cable management, but also protects your wall from scratches. Installation is a breeze with the built-in bubble level, guaranteeing perfect alignment for your TV. The safety button adds an additional layer of security once the setup is complete. This mount's versatility is unparalleled, compatible with a wide range of TVs and VESA patterns, ranging from 75mm to 625mm. Say farewell to wall damage and tedious installations. The ECHOGEAR no-drill TV mount streamlines your TV setup, allowing you to effortlessly enjoy your favorite shows. It's the best no-stud TV wall mount on the market today, simplifying your TV mounting experience. Its pros are: it holds TVs up to 100 pounds and it offers robust support for a variety of screen sizes. It eliminates the need for drilling into walls, making installation a breeze. It has a 1.18-inch profile that keeps your TV close to the wall, reducing glare and creating a stylish look. And it is compatible with a broad spectrum of TVs and VESA patterns, making it versatile for various setups. However, it may leave small holes in your drywall that need to be addressed if you decide to remove the mount. The ECHOGEAR EGL-D1 is perfect for individuals seeking easy installation and a sleek look. It is ideal for renters or anyone wanting hassle-free mounting without compromising on sturdiness or style. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.